What's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about a comparison between the KRK Rokit studio monitors and the Rockville APM studio monitors. Now, both of these companies manufacture really high quality yet low budget, or I should say budget-friendly studio monitors. KRK is definitely more well-known. I mean, these little yellow cones are pretty iconic at this point, and Rockville's not so much, but they make really great studio monitors for those who don't want to spend a lot of money. So I figured I would do a little comparison between the two. So KRK Systems, for those of you who don't know, started back in 2003. They began making studio monitors. Those are the generation ones. We are currently in the year 2020, and you are looking at the KRK Systems G4 ROKIT G4 8s. G4, of course, stands for generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. They've come a long way in terms of overall design, in terms of overall sound quality, and just in terms of just really everything. They're awesome monitors, and I would highly recommend them for pretty much anyone in any situation. Rockville, on the other hand, is not really a super well-known company. Their monitors are absolutely superb. The APM studio monitors, and the APM 8 specifically, since we're talking about the KRK Rokit 8s, the APM 8s are absolute powerhouse monitors for the price. The monitors are bi-amped, just like the KRK Rokits, which means that 1 amp is powering the tweeter and 1 amp is powering the woofer below. Each of the monitors gives you 250 watts of power, so they can get extremely loud compared to the KRKs. They actually have them beat in terms of overall loudness, which is pretty impressive considering that KRK monitors are fairly loud. They're made with high quality materials. They have the Rockvilles. They have a wooden enclosure made from really nice MDF wood, and it's just really a really nice thick build all around. I would say where KRK beats them is they do have the Kevlar materials for the woofers, which just give it that really nice tight low end and solid bass response that it's really hard to find in other budget studio monitors. One of the main differences that you'll notice right off the bat between the KRKs and the Rockvilles is that the KRKs do have front-firing bass ports, as you can see right here. This means that you can put them up against a wall or a flat surface. You don't have to worry about any bass buildup in the back, which can be super helpful for those who have home studios or untreated rooms that they're mixing or recording in. And this is different from the Rockvilles, which have rear bass ports. So yes, you might not get a little bit of exaggerated bass bump in your music when you're mixing, but you will really have to be careful about where you place them in your room. Beyond that, a lot of the things about these monitors are the same. They both do have Class D amplifiers. They have wonderful silk dome tweeters and a really similar kind of frequency response overall, as well as a sweet spot. The one thing also where KRK I think wins is if you look at the back, you have this DSP driven EQ, which is right back here. It's a nice little parametric EQ. Really great for room tuning, and kind of just gives KRK the edge in terms of versatility. So yeah, if you're looking for the cheapest of the cheapest, I would highly recommend going with Rockville. They make wonderful studio monitors that aren't very expensive. If you want something that's a little more professional, a little more versatile, definitely go with KRK Systems. They're really high quality, and they can do just about anything you need them to do. Alright guys, that's my little comparison between KRKs and the Rockville APMs. If you guys have any questions or insights, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Alright, take it easy.